Oklahoma town names you've been mispronouncing or didn't even know were Choctaw. Part 2. Next on our list is this town name right here. It is pronounced Tamaha. Tamaha. And this literally just means town. So, Tamaha. The next town name is this one right here. And it's pronounced Yanush. Yanush. I think I hear people say Yanush, but it's Yanush. And this means buffalo. Yanush. The next one is this one right here. It's pronounced Bukoshi. Bukoshi. And it comes from two words, Buk meaning river and Oshi meaning son of or descendant of or smaller version of. And so Bukoshi is just simply creek. Bukoshi. Well, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for part 3.